A pleasant day to you. Today, we are going to analyze the following business transaction and prepare its accounting equation using Excel spreadsheet. The given problem: Mr. De La Cruz is a furniture business owner who sells products to corporate clients. At the beginning of September, his company's financial record showed the following assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. We have cash, accounts receivable, office furniture, vehicle, accounts payable, Mr. De La Cruz's capital, revenue, and expenses. The following are the transactions from 1 to 10, and we will use the accounting equation asset equals to liabilities plus owner's equity in this Excel spreadsheet. And then letter B, we will analyze what is the amount of total assets after all transactions has been recorded. So let's start. We just transfer the given values here at our Excel spreadsheet, and we have a blank spreadsheet here with formulas. Below are the total. As you can see, we get the sum for the columns, and then below it is a formula which shows that assets should be equal to the total liabilities. So when we enter this field, the total should be equal for both assets and liabilities plus owner equity. And for letter B, we will see the amount of the total assets after all transactions had been recorded. This value is still total assets without entries because we haven't encoded yet here in the columns. Let us start. Let's read the first transaction. Performed services for $14,400 on credit. So remember, in the assets is what the company is receiving or the company's point of view, and here at liabilities and equity, it is what the company is giving up to get the assets. For number 1, the company receives $14,400. It is not still on cash because it says here it is on credit. So we add initially for the owner's capital $14,400. So it is still on credit. So we placed $14,400 in accounts receivable and not in cash. And then we balance it to the owner's capital as $14,400. Next, number 2, paid $3,640 in cash for new office chairs. The company receives under furnitures and fixtures the $3,640 worth of office chairs, and we gave up $3,640 in cash. You can see that the cash is negative because we paid in cash the office furnitures or the office chairs. Next is received $27,600 in cash from credit clients. We have an increase in cash, positive $27,600, but it says here from credit clients. So it is in accounts receivable, negative 27,600. Next, paid 1,820 in cash for telephone services. So we paid cash 1,820 dollars, and owner's equity is negative 1,820 dollars because we paid that in cash. It lessens the owner's equity. Number 5, sent a check for $10,400 in partial payment of the amount due to creditors. Cash is lessened by $10,400, and it is under accounts payable by less than $10,400. Number 6, paid salaries of $21,160 in cash. So our cash is less than or minus 21,160, and owner's equity is negative 21,160 also. Number 7, sent a check for $2,570 to pay electric bill. So we less the cash, $2,570 or negative $2,570. Also the owner's capital by negative $2,570. Next, performed services for $25,800 in cash. Our cash increases by $25,800, so that is positive $25,800. Also an increase in owner's equity by the same amount. Next, paid $5,320 in cash for vehicle repairs. We have negative $5,320, and then for owner's equity also negative $5,320. You can notice that it is still equal. And then lastly, perform services for $27,600 on account. So this is on account, this is in the accounts receivable column, so we place $27,600 at the accounts receivable, positive, and owner's equity increases also by $27,600. Now we have done all the transactions. We can check if it is correct when both assets should be equal to the liabilities and equity, and in this case it is correct because it is equal. That answers letter A. For letter B, what is the amount of total assets after all transactions have been recorded? We have the cash. You can see the formula, the previous cash plus the total remaining after all transactions. Similarly, for accounts receivable, for office furnitures or furnitures and fixtures, and for vehicle or automobiles, we get the total assets as $347,530. So this is the total assets with the entries. Thank you very much.